Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to upload a document into the Resman profile. Once you're logged into Resman, as you can see on the top right of the screen here, we have a search menu. You can search for a resident's name by first name or last name or the unit number. I'm going to go ahead and look at the document that I'm looking to upload. I'm going to go into the Google Drive stream here, enter in my drive. We have these scanned documents. I'm going to just open the top one here. So as you can see, we have a party name. I can search by that name or the unit number here. I'm going to go back to Resman now. To the top right in search, enter in the unit number. We're going to look for the view part for Belen Ibarra. As you can see, 108 is it. I'm going to select it. So here we have the profile. You see the name and all of the information here. I'm just going to minimize it, make it look a little bit neater. So what we want to do is scroll down a little bit until we see documents. Once you locate documents, you're going to click it, and the documents will open here. As you can see, there are a few files in here already, and we want to create new folders accordingly depending on what file we're going to upload. So we're going to go back to the file here. As you can see, it says apartment lease contract. So we want to create a new folder and name it lease contract. As you can see, a new folder has been created just like we did. From there, we're going to add a new file. We want to choose the file on the left side here. We're going to go to the Google Drive, My Drive, Scan Documents, and we're going to select the file. We're going to rename it in a certain format. It will be the resident's last name, followed by EX for execute, lease contract, and the date that it was executed. I'm just going to double check before we finalize it. As you can see here, it is February 2019. The last name is Ibarra, so we're going to move forward. We have last name, execute lease contract, date format, month, year. We will share it to everyone on the lease portal to be able to view. It's their lease contract. Once you're done there, you hit OK. You allow the document to upload. There's a little status at the bottom left. And now, as you can see in the folder for lease contract, it has been uploaded. On the right side, there's a check mark. It means that it's visible in the portal for the resident. There's a few more options to the right of the check mark. As you see here, you can click it to view the document, or you can click it to download the document. We're going to go ahead and upload the rest of the files. The next file here is a notice of a lease violation. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder and name it Notice. Notices. We're going to go ahead and click the folder to make it open, and we're going to click Add. From here, we're going to choose the file. We're going to select the number, the file number here. Remember that it's in the Google Drive, My Drive, Scan Documents, and the file name. The same layout for the document name is going to be the last name. I'm going to do violation because that's the type of notice, and the date of the violation. Just going to go verify it real quick to see what that violation is. The date is May 2019. So we're going to do the month dash year. From there, we're going to hit OK. The file is uploaded. Next, we're going to do the next document. This document here is for the Housing Authority. Just going to check the date real quick. It's February 2019. So we're going to go back to Resman. New folder. We're going to name it Housing Authority. I'm going to click OK, and a new folder has been created. As you can see, it's in alphabetical order. So the top folder is Housing Authority. We're going to click Add. I'm going to choose the file. The same layout. We're going to do last name, the document type, and the date. Format will be the month, followed by the year. The file upload correctly. Once it's done uploading, we have it there. Now we have one more folder to do. What's important, what I just noticed, is you can see that this is highlighted. If I were to click the new folder, it would create a folder under that. So what you want to do is click out of it to unhighlight it, and then do new folder. So we're going to go to the final document. As you can see, it says move-in information here. So we're going to title this folder Move In. I'm going to hit OK, and we have a new folder called Move In. Add in the document. Again, the Google Drive, My Drive, Scan Documents. You select the correct file. Open, and we're going to do the same format. Last name, move in with the date. Gonna double check the date. The date of this notice, as you can see here, is February 20th, 2019. So we will use the month, year format. You allow it to upload. Now we have all 4 of the newly scanned documents uploaded into their correct folders. And what I'm noticing here is that there are 2 extra documents out here. It says notice on this one, and it says notice on this one. We're going to go ahead and move these into the correct folder. What you can do is just click it, make sure it's highlighted, left click, and drag. As you can see, we have moved it to the notice folder, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next one. This one is outside by itself. We've highlighted it. I'm going to left click and hold and drag to the correct folder. You let go of the left click, and it has been moved accordingly to the correct folder. Once all files are uploaded to the correct folders, what you can do now is go back to the Google Drive. You make sure you're in the scanned documents, and you want to clean it by deleting it. What you can do is hold Control and left click, one file at a time. You can right click and delete, or you can use the delete button on your keyboard. It's asking me that the file is in use. Can we try again, skip or cancel? I want to delete it, so let's go ahead and close the files. Once the files are closed, you should be able to try again. Now, as you can see, in the Google Drive, My Drive, Scan Documents, the folder is empty. We've successfully uploaded and deleted these newly scanned files from the computer's Google Drive. Hopefully this video was helpful. Have a good day.